Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Logitech keyboard that is not typing letters. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to fix it in an easy tutorial. So let's get right into this video. This will once again be an easy tutorial showing you how to fix it with regards to a Logitech keyboard that is not typing any letters at all. Okay, so let's get into this. Whether your Logitech keyboard is not typing any letters or not typing a specific few letters, this is a video for you. I'll be going over 6 easy fixes. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, so let's get right into this. Fix number 1 that you should try out is to make sure that you actually have a text field selected. So on your computer or your device that you're using the keyboard on, you want to make sure that you've actually selected a text field, okay? You want to make sure that you're actually on something that will allow you to type letters, and those letters will, should appear on the screen. I put this first, and some people think it's obvious, but to be honest with you, lots of people make this mistake. So just make sure you're on an actual text field. And if that doesn't help you, I'll move on to fix number 2, which is to unplug the receiver and plug it into a different USB port. So most likely you've connected your keyboard to your computer with a USB receiver like this. You want to unplug the receiver and plug it into a different USB port, just because the USB port that this is plugged into might be faulty. Maybe there's a problem with it, whatever the case is. Just plug it into a different USB port and try that out. If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to fix number 3, which is to replace the keyboard batteries. So with your keyboard like this, flip it over, okay? You're going to see a keyboard, a battery cover for the keyboard right here. Pop that out of place, replace those batteries. That could be the problem. Maybe you have some bad batteries in there, some old batteries, some dead batteries, whatever the case is, replace the batteries. Honestly, it's a very simple solution, and believe it or not, it works more oftentimes than not, okay? And don't be ashamed, it happens. It's just like, some people are like, oh my gosh, I didn't realize that the batteries were just dead. Yeah, just replace the batteries, try it out. If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to fix number 4. And fix number 4 is to try typing all of the keys individually, because something might be stuck. So literally, go through each key and type each key individually and see if anything happens on the screen, because a key might be stuck. Now you can do it faster than this, right? But don't just mash the keys, like literally push each key individually. Just try it out, because maybe something like the control key is stuck. And if your control key is stuck, then you're not going to be able to type any letters on, and they won't appear on the screen at least. So try that out. That might be your solution. If that doesn't help you, I'll move on to solution or fix number 5, which is to shake the keyboard gently, okay? So once again, number 5 is to shake the keyboard gently. Now, I don't mean take it and like, no. Just shake it gently. Just get it? Give it a little shake like this. Believe it or not, sometimes if something's stuck, there might be a little piece of crumb of something stuck in there. There might be any dirt or grime stuck in there, and that will hopefully help you sort it out and get the keyboard typing once again, okay? And if that doesn't help you, I'll move on to the last fix for this video, which is fix number 6. That was a totally intentional rhyme, because we rhyme all the time. Fix number 6 is to restart the computer or laptop. So you want to restart the device, because maybe it's the actual computer or laptop. Hopefully your mouse is still working, and that, then you can restart it like that. If not, you're going to have to do like a forced restart with the power button, but then you're going to probably lose any unsaved work that you're working on, okay? But anyways, those are the 6 fixes. Hopefully you can get your keyboard working. Once again, I tried to keep this video short and sweet, and hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.